I'm over here. So right now, I'm at my bed. Right now, I'm over here. I'm chilling.
So ladies and gentlemen, right now we are here. We're going to Walmart.
I'm so sexy. I'm so sexy.
You know, you gotta tell me sexy.
Yeah, wipe off his screen.
It's winter time. Oh shit, look, there's parking out here.
I'm trying to be like a Rasta man, you know?
So we have Ricky in the building right there. You know what I mean? And we're going to Walmart real quick.
We going to fishing. Some fresh water fish.
Yeah, so we are gonna buy.
Yeah, eat them, you know, they think I joke, man.
Yeah, put them on the grill for real? Alright, so
if catch one like go with the catch.
Yeah, the one that I caught? Yeah, the one I caught.
No,
we. I know we must put it to we.
Alright. Yeah, change the subject now. Now talk about it. You don't want to talk about it. Yo, like anyone can catch.
So we are going to Walmart right now.
Go right after, man. We go select for this one right after. Yo, so you upload this today?
Tidawa. Yeah, it's about before Saturday though.
Alright, so catch up here. Right now we are doing a movie screening for our web series and me are famous. But me are famous already. What's wrong with
respect, man, respect.
We have grill.
We have grill on neighbor.
We have grill.
Neighbor, give me a grill.
So catch up here. This week we are going to do a screening web series that me are famous do. Me a director, famous exclusive director. This screening Peter Guan.
Yeah.
We have his first screening. We are going to show a West Palm at Citrus Fresh Grill. If you don't want further information, just go up on my page.
Yeah. Instagram tag right stuff. So yeah.
Please just let me go up. I won't say anything. I'm gonna give you guys some money. I won't say anything. Just please let me go.
You're not going nowhere from Yasso.
Oh my God, Shanice, come on.
Can I take this?
Yes, please.
Everything is gonna be okay. I mean, it's okay. Just as I said, just listen to what I have to say. You know, just to make it out alive. That's all.
Please, God, keep her safe and bring her home.
You're not gonna go home. You're gonna stay with me on this.
We're there and we are look hooks. Cause we going
see somebody there.
swimming. We're going hiking.
No, is that?
I know what I see, man. I'm not gonna try that.
That's not for sea, that's for fresh water.
Okay. You go ahead, Ricky.
Where they go?
No sir.
You go right ahead, Ricky.
A life bait more upon my sickness.
You go right ahead, Ricky. You want to go in this debate? See if the food there when you drop in and something and you go eat it and then you just trick them with the hook and line and you just come here. Toilet paper for do though.
We just done chop us a home right now. Yeah. Bread. Ricky with film bag and water, sir. Just reaching from supermarket from Walmart and we're there first. How we had to do before we go fishing? Trevor said it a promo first, so by the time you edit the promo they're done. We go deal with the fishing something Ricky do road liquor Ricky a fall back soon. So log it back with them. Summer J's right now we're there and we are about to go fishing. We're about to get some swimmer run right now. Ricky do over there already. Me and Chavas we are go, you know, do a shortcut and all them something. Chavas will look for fish. Well, Chavas will look for something in there. So yeah, we are about to go, yeah, go get some swimmer run right now. You don't know me just fit. So mad move. So right now we're there. Ricky come link. Watch this one. Oh yeah, bread and pear. And sitting fly all night, yeah. Ricky, explain what go on here, sir.
So right now we got some.
We not everybody go to fish.
Yo,
Ricky not gonna get you all of them never
You go fry them on them dog.
We not everybody go fish.
Like a cup, like we go drink a cup.
Like a cup of, yo.
Yeah,
Alright, so guys, me no know. Oh, yo, hold on. Oh, no, say me if you do this.
Put it through the window.
Hold on, hold it this. Hold this.
What you man dress?
Alright, and then me.
Master.
Me
How you get the outfit there?
oh, this lit. I'll just bring it so. Yeah. The man that will live like camera leg go steering wheel. So we are here right now. Somebody have passed me and struck them like medieval time.
One fishing rod?
Nigga, I alone a fishing boat. Me not grew up with that.
So we're there. No, the evening is young, the night is young.
Please fasten passenger seat belt.
We now go for a bill, Siri, bill.
Siri.
You think I can go over there?
The man, we have to go park here.
Walk park here somewhere, boy.
Oh, it's right there.
The man have one bucket of fish. We don't know what we need to go fishing for. And we have fish already. Swim around.
The man said, yo, this will catch everything. Bass, everything. He said, yo, you're gonna be surprised.
Hey, hold on! Wait! Wait!
Murder!
Who no see boy nearly tear off the whole of me hand? Oi! You give me a fright! Yo, the man say you have live bait. The man really have live bait.
You have a speaker?
Oh no, Shabas, you got it this time. Shabas, you bring a speaker? Why you not to bring it? Watch your big green, yellow iguana, they catch him, dog. See him right there, sir. Him big, right on the hill right there, sir. Him huge. Him huge. See me right there, sir. Come here, so you can see him.
Some can catch him.
Yeah, that. Run, go catch him.
Set up.
Run, set up. Set up and go catch him.
Hold on, let me.
Yo, oh my god. Catch him, Travis.
Let me eat my bird and
Travis, get your brain pair. Gotta get your brain pair first. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Quite guy. Yo, you gotta get him. He's big, he's huge.
We have to go make his neck.
Oh my god, he's huge. Look at that monster. Look at that. You can't wrangle that by yourself.
Bet.
Trust me, he's gonna give you a good ass whip. Yo, he's crazy, he's big, ain't it? Travis gonna get him. My friend is coming for you. You have no clue. Oh, yeah. Bro, you got this. Him still there. Yo, man, move now. Ricky, I scare him. Come back, Ricky. Ricky, come back. Oh my god, look at him. Lies. He's going down in the water. Ricky scared him away. Ricky scared him away, guys. Ricky scared him away. Look at that beauty right there. Ricky scared him away. Ricky scared him to the bushes, guys. Look at him over there. Look at him. Jesus Christ, no, look at man. Let me stop vlog.
It's all what?
No, me, it's all what? It's all no for carry bucket. I wish part of Jamaica come for a clarinet.
I never do them things, huh?
What is some money I video my youth? What wrong with you there? I laugh that.
We trying to go get food.
Yo. So right now we are gonna do a catch, cook and clean. Got be that shower so I do it. Catch me.
Are you serious?
Yo, watch your wonder right there. So.
Hey, you serious?
You serious? Shower so on green one day, you know. On green one day, you know.
Yeah, we're stringing something though.
Big door.
Me have a stringy thing, lad.
On the kind of huge, you know. He's right there, people. You see him? Yeah. Yo, why the camera jerk up, so? Remember, you know, me tell you now, yes, sir. Yo, it just looks. Your hotel looks so damn good, dog. Hotel look like we can catch all leap today. This is one you watch.
I think it was cold last time.
Watch him. Watch him. Last time he cold.
They were on holiday.
Fishing in the holiday?
Yeah.
That go on, you know.
That is one.
So right now Ricky has string up. Who don't know?
Me I do it the real.
Taxi!
So right now we are here. We reach. Ladies and gents, we reach. We are in the savannah right now. As you can hear, be a monkey and baboon in it. And this one is still up on your phone.
Me I post something.
Oh yeah, you have excuse. You have excuse. I forgot to say my post. Something so.
Yo, let's do a
yeah.
challenge.
Why challenge? Ricky I go speak it up.
No electronics. We can do vlog camera though.
Vlog camera?
Yeah.
24 hour no
you
electronics.
can't, whoever loses?
Yeah.
Well, we can't say 24 hours because we don't.
We're gonna figure it out.
You see him?
No.
No, that.
He swim. He swim past.
No, Ricky Silico. What you say? What you doing now? Oh, Chawas a makeup and me alone no makeup, so me about to deal with it right now. So we have something going on over here and Chawas. Want to take it off?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Yo, 2 times.
You take it off for 2 times now. Chawas catch a big one little while and he get away.
What you get up? You get change your hook.
So them a go out for me one day, but some little one just a pick it up. So me just I make them eat it off and go and go them business. And they don't eat it though. In a bag this one. Chawas put on, Chawas nearly catch 2 big ones. Well, he catch a big one and drop off. Me catch one and drop off. Me catch a small regular one and he drop off before I pull him in. Tiki.
Greedy, swallow the world.
Chabas catch the first. Are you catching? No, yeah, Chabas catch the first fish.
You want wicked?
Let me see.
I'm so like,
Where him gone?
let it go.
Oh, in the behind the hand.
I push my finger in. What? At least me catch something. No, not catch nothing.
Tiki.
Lucky if you're the bigger than me, I eat it. The bigger than me, I eat it. But nah, look at the hooks there. What's that?
You kill him now. Me no catch nothing. Chabas are the only.
Go to the fish in the water.
Chabas the only person who catch 2 today. You know what I mean? Victorious. He came in victorious. Collect it off it.
What would you tell them? I'll tell it all.
Ricky no catch none. Me no catch none. But we have my line still in there. I'm hopeful. People. Yo, me catch one when drop off right there, so he can't count because I never bring him in. Chabas catch a big one, can't count because I never bring him in. But him still end up catch 2. So, you know what I mean? Yo, out here just look, just listen out there how you look and just sound so pretty. Bad. Just like that, boys, Ricky is here.
Yo,
Ricky came to play. He came to play, ladies and gentlemen. Look at here. Look at this.
Yo, me catch him.
Me eat this tonight.
What? Watch out. I will catch the biggest one now.
Look at this right
Yo,
here.
what's that?
So we didn't give up. We persevered.
I'm here, look at Tiki one now.
So now, you cook this?
Oh, I cook this.
Yo, you want to cook that?
Me and you make it for no now, you make it now.
You want that funny right this one?
Watch out. I will catch the biggest one now.
Let's hear them move.
Yo, where my flip up, sir?
Oh, you put a sample out?
Scale him up?
Yeah. When you catch him and put him back in the river?
We not scale him?
No. What do you mean scale him, Brad?
Wait, hold on one thing, like.
Come on, die.
Put it back in?
And really, are you eating for real?
Could I eat him, dog? Remember your father said I can't eat my youth.
And him that, yo.
Yo, go eat
Dash him back. Yo, Chavas want to eat him. Me not eat him.
What's the video? We'll go scale him. We'll go scale him though.
Can't eat him, yo.
No, you can't eat my youth. So just clean him up for me now. Just clean him up for me now and me eat him. Man, them a laugh.
Yo, yeah, dash him back, dog. No, dog, throw him back in there. Yo, throw him back in the water before he dead fit John. Mine in John.
May I
put him back, put him back.
Yo, put him back.
Clean him up, man.
Throw him in there.
What do I even
Tabasco's 3 guys. You know if you go big him up in the comment section. I'll try to zoom in on you, my bro. Oh, when you catch 3 fish today. Me no catch none, you know. And me a fool.
You catch one, but you jump off.
You know, me no count that, man. When you know the sweeps now, crocodile for go back, so we have to try and make it out. Who knows the hog seed, always the back. So right now we're there, we're back in the crib. Chabas over there, so shake up some food. So we're there, and blessings and respect again for father out and watch your vlog, you know what I mean? As me say, remember for like, share, subscribe, and all of them good stuff there. And soon in Mars. A mad move!
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect.